Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you is anti-haul number 4. We're going to go over all the makeup and beauty products that I think are shit and pretty much stupid and ask myself, who asked for this? Who wants it? If you see me looking down here, it's because I have my laptop in front of me with some information on it, pricing, products, all that good stuff. I thought I would do a little bit of a twist with this anti-haul, and what I mean by that is I'm going to go over all of this shit that I just think is just a waste of time. Save your money for whatever reason. It's my opinion. If you like these products or you own them, no offense, but opinions are like assholes, as they say. Everybody has one, which means I have an opinion too, and I am here to present you with my very valid opinion. And then what I'm going to do with this video is end it with a positive note. I'm going to share a couple of things that actually intrigue me, things that I feel are more innovative, interesting, and things I think are worth trying and spending your money on. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So you guys, I was downstairs eating my lunch and I discovered this like glass chalice in my cupboard. I'm not even sure where it came from. I don't remember ever buying these, so I'm assuming it was something that my fiance had before I came along, but hey, I'll take it. And I just dripped all over myself. Classy. Look at that. Water all over my top. Anyways, alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this anti-haul. The first thing I want to talk about is the Glam Glow times My Little Pony glitter mask. I don't really know what Glam Glow is doing. To be completely honest, I have never been into their products. I think I have tried one mask from them. I don't even remember what it was. It was okay. To be completely honest, you guys, I think masks, for the most part, are gimmicky. There are a few that definitely do something for your skin, but for the most part, in my opinion, I think they're both just, it's a gimmick. This one especially, Glam Glow keeps taking their Gravity Mud Mask and redoing it and relaunching it in different colors. We had Sonic, we had Power Rangers, now we have My Little Pony. I don't know if there was any other than that, but I mean, like, come on. This mask is $60. You get 1.7 ounces of product. It's a glitter mask. It's My Little Pony. Now it's like, what about the original glitter mask? Like, I don't know what it is. It's like they're running out of so many ideas. Like, who asked for a glitter mask, period, but who asked for a My Little Pony mask? Like, does that make you buy it? Like, did you guys see the original glitter mask and think, I don't want that? Or the original Gravity Mud Mask and like, nah, I don't need it. Oh, but man, they threw some glitter in it. Yes, that's gonna make me buy it. Or now it's like, the glitter wasn't enough. Let's pair it with some colorful pony characters. Like, oh yeah, on my list of to-do, I need it. No, what actually is an April Fool's joke that Tarte played out with. They posted a palette and called it like Icy Blue or something. I'll put a picture up here. I saw this on Trend Mood. I got a quick whip joke for you guys. Apparently color is a joke to Tarte because we saw how much of a joke color was when they released their Shave Tape foundation. And apparently they joke about putting colors in their palettes too. Give me a break. If I saw this palette, I would actually be excited. Blues are such a hot color right now. If they were going to make a mermaid palette, please, dear God, tell me why the hell they didn't include these shades in that mermaid palette. This palette, to me, looks stunning. I think there's like all these different shades of blue, the green, the icy tones. This is like the shit that everyone has been wanting, like the total other end of the spectrum. Yes, we love our warm tone shades, but this is like the hand of God reached down and is like, yes, it's like what everyone's wanted, a cool tone palette. Even the packaging looks bomb as shit. Like, yes, Tarte, maybe they're testing the waters. Maybe they're going to release something like this. I hope so, because they need to freshen up. All right, next item is, let's talk about this palette. This is the Urban Decay Back Talk Eye and Face Palette. You guys, I feel like Urban Decay just like can't get shit right recently. It's like they're trying and they get an A for effort, but for the most part, it's just like fail, pass. It's just not quite there. I'm talking about the fact that it's like, I feel like they take like the same colors from different palettes, they repackage it, switch up a few things, and then try to market it as something new. So we've got this Back Talk Eye and Face palette. The concept is cool. I'll give them that. For traveling, you've got, you know, some eyeshadows, and then you've got some blushes and some highlighters, whatever. But at the same time, it's like, this is the Naked 3 palette to me. This looks so similar to the Naked 3 palette. You don't need it. This is $46. I don't know. I guess if you wanted the Naked 3 but you didn't want to spend the $50 or $52 and you want to save like $8 and you want this instead, go for it. But to me, it's just, there's nothing different here. There's nothing innovative, and it's just not, it's not interesting enough. I'm just not really here for it. You get 8 shadows, you get 4 highlighters or bleach. The hell, blush toppers, and it's just 46 bucks. Just like, meh, no, over it, pass. Let's talk about another mask. Now, these Dr. Jart rubber masks, first of all, I'm gonna be really scared the living shit out of me. It reminds me of almost like that American Horror Story, like creepy, like rubber mask. Like, I would like scare children with this. It would stop traffic. Like, it's just so creepy. I just don't get it. And $12 for a single mask? No, I've watched some people like use this. I've actually watched a couple other girls like do like a review on this mask. They're left with a ton of product, so it's a ton of waste, but you can't technically save the remains of it. And I don't know, it's just, it's gimmicky. And like the face on the front of the packaging scares the living bejesus. It's just scary. It gives me horrors. It gives me bad dreams. I just don't want to look at it. It's just, it's icky. It's gross. I can't even keep looking at the picture. Just get it away. No, pass. All right, another eyeshadow palette. You guys, I feel like eyeshadow palettes are kind of just, they're on the chopping block today. I can't help it. This is what it is. The Makeup Forever Starlit Glitter Palette. I don't know. I guess I can't really say that I hate this totally, or that like I would be like, no, definitely don't go buy it. But the one thing that makes me do say that is that there's 6 shadows, and this bitch is $45. I don't care if it's limited edition. $45 for 6 shadows is insane. Like, it's insane. I've actually been in Sephora and I swatched this and played with it a little bit. It's no different than a couple of singles that you could pick up from like ColourPop, the Super Shock Shadows, or any other like less expensive version of this. Like, I don't know, the colors on it don't scream anything to me. It's just an all glitter palette. It's just a whole bunch of shimmers. It doesn't do it for me. Like, looking at these photos of it, it's just like 45 bucks, 6 glittery neutral tone shades. Nah, pass. That's all I got to say on the matter when it comes to that one. This one, now this is not exactly new per se. I've seen people talk about this for maybe a year or two. Hold on. If you're not sitting, take a seat. Get some fresh air, have some water. I have for you a Dyson Supersonic blow dryer, a hair dryer, all yours for the low, low price of $399 freaking dollars. Comment down below, do you know somebody who would buy this? I don't give a shit how much money you have. Who on earth spends $400 on a freaking hair dryer? Again, who asked for this? Dyson vacuum cleaners? Sure. Fans, air purifiers, whatever. Yeah, they're an expensive brand. But like hair dryers? $400? I don't even care what this thing better put highlights in my hair. It better style my hair. It better come out with my hair dipped in shimmering diamonds. $400? Like, you guys, I can't. Like, I don't even know, like, is Ulta selling any of these? Like, I see, like, this is on Ulta's website. I saw this. I was scrolling through what's new, and I see this Dyson hair dryer. It's some special edition gift set. It's $399. I can't. Moving on. So let's talk about one that everyone is talking about. The KKW times Mario eyeshadow palette. I get that they have like an iconic relationship, whatever, and good for him. I'm gonna give him props for his collaborations that he's done. I know he did one with ABH, but this palette, take away that blue color. And I actually watched Porcelain. I don't know if you guys know who she is. I will link her channel down below. She mentioned this product in her anti-haul, and she had such a good point. Like, take out that blue color. It looks almost like Laura Lee's palette. It looks like you grabbed a few shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. That pop of blue, I swear, is like a mind trick. I don't care what Kim's makeup trends were, but like, holy crap, like, this is just, no one wants it. I'm sure it will sell out. I'm sure there's people out there who will just go crazy for this. Don't get me wrong. Me personally, you guys, I really don't care about the Kardashians. They don't really bother me. Kim doesn't really bug me. Kylie doesn't bug me. They're doing their own thing. It's working for them. Whatever. It's just like, I don't know, like this palette, like, what's special about it? What's so different? I mean, the collaboration, yes, it's there, but the colors and no, done. by. So that is the end of the anti-haul, you guys. Now I'm going to talk about some makeup that is actually exciting. Something that I'm like, oh man, I really, really am excited for this. I really want to try it. I saw on Trend Mood's Instagram, again, this Away We Glow, this new set coming from NYX. Now, yes, these palettes look very neutral, but I think the packaging looks stunning, and I really am turned on by those highlighters that they're showing. Those little like highlighter drops you can see there. I love liquid highlighters, you guys. I really, really do. I don't use them enough because I haven't really found one that like really speaks to me, but that looks fantastic. I think the palette, the shades in there actually look, I think, is it multiple palettes? I can't tell. I think there's different ones. There's 2 different ones it looks like, but they both look pretty nice. And if they're really good, they could be really good, affordable palettes. So I'm down with that. I'll take that. Another one I want to mention is from BH Cosmetics, this Festival palette. This looks like so much fun. A lot of you might already have these colors or colors like this in your collection, but it's $18. What do you get? There's like 20 shades in here, I think. Looks like that. Looks like there's 20 shades. Look at all those fun pops of colors. Like, this is a fun, different looking palette. You've got like that teal green, a minty green, like a chartreuse. There's like an orange. There's endless transition shades in this. I mean, this palette really could be very versatile. You could have everyday looks, but it's enough to be like fun for like spring and festival. Like, to me, this is such a breath of fresh air. I'm going to be ordering this one for sure, especially because of the price. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do a review, tutorial on it, the whole 9. One more I want to talk about from Morphe, these blush palettes. I actually was thinking right before Bretman Rock's highlighter palette launched and was released and like people got the idea of it, I really thought, I'm like, why hasn't Morphe like got more into like highlighters and blushes and bronzers and all that? And now they are. I think the blush trios are just like, hell yes. I think this is fantastic. Like, I really want to try these. And the blush trios looks like they're like 12 bucks. That's so affordable. I'm just hoping, that they keep the parabens out of their formula. Sometimes some of Morphe's formulas, they put parabens in there. It's the one thing I try to look out for, like formaldehyde containing products. I just really hope they clean it up just a little bit. I don't know if they will, considering the price, but fingers crossed, because if they do, I definitely want to try this out. So there you have it, you guys. That is my anti-haul. It's the shit list. It's the hit list. It gives you an idea of, you know, what I think personally based on an analyzation of color and usefulness of a product, what you should just really skip having to try and then end up returning. And then now I think it's kind of cool, you know, to incorporate the products and the launches that we're excited for as well, because as much as there is some stuff that's just totally boring and like, what the, you know, there is some really cool, amazing stuff coming out from a lot of great companies. So there you have it. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Share this video. Comment down below what you think of my anti-haul, my wish list. Do we share the same opinions? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try to do several uploads this week. I have some really fun tutorials planned that I think you guys are really going to enjoy, something different that you haven't really seen before. That's what it's going to be about. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!